Hey guys, want terminal access to your hosting server? Activating SSH in cPanel lets you manage files and commands directly. In this video, I will show you step by step how to enable SSH access in cPanel hosting. So start by logging into your hosting account and opening the cPanel dashboard. You will find all your website and server management tools here. In the cPanel home, scroll down to the security section and click on SSH Access. This is where you will manage and activate secure shell access. Some hosts provide SSH by default, while others require manual activation. If you don't see the option, contact your hosting support to request SSH access. In the SSH access panel, click on Manage SSH keys. Then generate a new key pair by providing a key name and passphrase. Download and securely save the private key. After generating the key, authorize it by clicking Manage next to the key name and selecting Authorize. This step allows server access using your key. Now, use an SSH client like PuTTY or Terminal. Connect using your server IP, cPanel username, port 22 and the private key file. This establishes the secure connection. Run a simple command like ls to test the connection. If successful, you now have full SSH access to your cPanel hosted server. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.